Welcome to Module 1. In this video, we're going to be discussing the overview of CPA and affiliate networks. As you know, there's many networks that you can choose to go promote affiliate products. There's ClickBank, there's AffiliateX, and we're going to be deep diving into these networks, the pros and cons, so you have a full understanding of exactly what to expect when you join a network, the pros and the cons in every network. So for starters now, why do we use an affiliate network? And why do we use ClickBank? Or why do we use a CPA network? So when I mention a cake network, a CPA network, I'm actually referring to Cash Network, AffiliateX, Max Bounty, Peerfly. The difference between Max Bounty and ClickBank is a network also that has many different vendor products that we can actually promote, but there's two major differences between ClickBank and a more advanced affiliate network. The only difference is that when someone on ClickBank purchases your product, they have 30 days to actually refund that product. So if they refund, we do not get that sale. Now, when you're in a CPA and affiliate network, you actually get paid no matter what. As soon as someone puts in their credit card information and you make that sale, within about 5 to 10 minutes, that sale will show up in your back office that you actually just made a sale. Now, how does the refunds work? Now, when you're in a CPA and affiliate network, you're actually able to get paid out weekly. Now that's going to be a benefit if you're trying to scale a campaign to $100 a day, to $1,000 a day, or to even higher. Now with an affiliate network, when someone purchases your product and they do refund, now let's just say you make 10 sales, and every time you make a sale for $60, customers keep refunding. What will end up happening is that the CPA network, for example, AffiliateX, they'll actually cut you off from that offer and you will no longer be able to promote that. Now, keep in mind, we always want to be sending high quality traffic, high quality customers to any offer that we promote. So the reason we want to send high quality traffic, no matter what traffic we're sending, any offer can be a 6-figure offer. We just don't know until we actually start testing it. As an affiliate marketer, you never want to burn any bridges with any offers that you promote. So as you start to learn about affiliate networks, you'll start to learn that each affiliate network that we're going to be joining, each of them has a different way that they track sales. We always want to be tracking our sales to know how much money we're actually making and where our sales come from exactly. So there's a cake network, there's has offers. These are different affiliate networks. What that simply means is that a cake network has a different infrastructure on how they track affiliate marketing sales. Has offers is similar, but they have a different way to track your affiliate marketing sales. So I know that may sound like mumbo jumbo right now, but what I want to do is I want you to understand and start taking notes on understanding what the difference is between promoting products in ClickBank and promoting products in AffiliateX, Max Bounty, Peerfly. There's major differences now. You can get paid out in 7 days, or you can get paid out in 30 days, or you can deal with refunds. So there's major differences. And one last aspect I do want to touch base on is direct with the advertiser. If you don't know what direct with the advertiser means, that means you cut out the affiliate network, you cut out ClickBank, you cut out the middleman. You go directly to the source. And what I say about that is when you go directly to the source to promote your product, let's just say I'm promoting a $30 weight loss and I'm making $3,000 a day. Well, 9 times out of 10, you can actually go directly to that weight loss product and actually send them an email and see if they actually have an affiliate program direct with the company. Now, it's similar to the ClickBank issue. Whenever you go direct with the advertiser, they want to see two things. When you want to cut out the middleman, they want to know how many sales can you bring them, what quality of traffic you're actually going to bring them, and those are the two main questions that they're going to be wondering. But for now, I suggest until you start to make 10 grand a day with an affiliate offer, stick with promoting in the affiliate networks. Keep the middleman there. You can always test different offers in each of these networks to see if one network will pay you more, this network will pay you more. So you'll always have freedom to promote any products that you actually want to promote. So I'm going to jump into my screen. I'm going to share with you exactly what the CPA and affiliate networks look like. And I want you to understand the tracking and the whole overview of what to expect when you actually join an affiliate network. So this is going to be an overview, so let's dive right in. So here's an example of Cake. Cake is an infrastructure on what the tracking is we're actually using. The reason I'm gonna want you guys to start using Cake over Has Offers, over ClickBank and other platforms is because Cake, you can have more advanced details into your tracking. For example, later on in the future modules, I'll be teaching you Facebook ads. You'll start to learn how beneficial it is to actually start using Cake. Now, let's just see. I want to just show you guys the Cake website so you guys have an understanding of what I mean by Cake. If we look right here, it says Cake, but all the affiliate networks who are Cake have the same infrastructure as this. Most of them have the offers and all the details on the left side of the screen, and then the details right in the center of the screen. And then we have Has Offers. Now, Has Offers is pretty much Cake's competitor in terms of tracking. The reason I like Has Offers is because it's very simple to use for tracking also, but there's not as much flexibility with the pixel placement. Now, if you do join a Has Offers network, what you can do is always reach out to your affiliate manager and ask them if there's a availability for you to actually put your pixels on the offer. While I'm talking, I want to show you exactly what Has Offers looks like. If we look here, this is an example of an affiliate network I'm in. It's called Affiliate X. And if we look here to the side, it has tab offers, browse search, live offers, and then most of the Has Offers ones looks like this. We scroll over here, we can actually preview the landing page. So for this iPhone X, we can click. It's pretty simple to view affiliate offers that we can actually promote. And now a similarity to Has Offers is, let me show you another network, Biz Profits. Biz Profits has been around for a while. They're more known for Nutri supplements and also make money online offers. I actually joined this offer because I was interested in promoting a weight loss supplement in here. And this here too, you can also look to the left side. Similar infrastructure as Affiliate X for being a Has Offers tracking platform. So now let me show you right here. This is Grab Ads Media. This is actually a Cake network. So I'm going to log in. And as we see on the side, the left side of the screen, we have our dashboard, offers, reports, account info, and alerts. So this is now Grab Ads Media. This is actually a pretty good network. I recently joined this. I have a couple of friends who are actually promoting this network. So what I want you to be doing is I'm going to be showing you affiliate networks. I want you to start joining into these affiliate networks. There's 7ROI, there's Affiliate X, there's Grab Ads Media, there's Max Bounty, there's Peerfly. But more preferably, I want you to sign up with as many Cake networks as you can. So now let me show you exactly how the Cake infrastructure looks for tracking. This is going to be very important to come into the future modules, but I just want you to understand why we use Cake. So now I'm going to go to year to date. There we go. So right here I was promoting this Pure Keto cost per sale offer. I got 2 clicks to the offer. Now I'm going to click into it and explain to you this Cake system. So anytime you join in, you're always going to have your basic description here, country restrictions. Now pay close attention to here. Sometimes on restrictions they may say you're not allowed to promote to 18 to 24 or a certain demographics. And then also in the restrictions in the description, sometimes they actually have suggestions on what demographic converts the best. For example, I actually promoted a baby product and it said promoted to women between the ages of 18 to 34 in the United States. So it gave me a suggestion on what I should be targeting as far as demographics. So now we can come here and we can go to creatives. So simply what the creative is, if a company has a product like this weight loss product, they may have 2 landing pages, which means they have 2 variations. One variation may collect an email and one variation may not collect an email. And that's when they're collecting an email and not collecting an email, they'll typically say no opt-in VSL. And that's just a difference. So you can get your link right here. You can just click here. We can hover over this. You won't see anything, but if you click get link, this is actually our affiliate offer. So later we'll be coming here and we'll actually be setting up our tracking in all of this. So I'll just show you what happens whenever I copy this and I open up a tab and I paste it in. So we can see right here the supplement offer right here. This is a trial one. It loaded up just perfectly. So now we know that our affiliate link is working properly. But now I'm going to go back to Grab Ads Media. So email, what is this email tab? So typically what happens is when the networks have an email tab, they've actually tested email follow-ups. So they actually have their advertiser give email swipes that we can actually use in our email marketing campaigns to send to our potential customers if we're collecting emails for the campaign. Now, what I want to say is stay away from using email templates. Now, what you can do is you can take their email and you can modify it yourself, add in and take out variations of the email that they have here, and make it work for your target audience and the product that you're promoting. Typically, when you take an email swipe from an entire network, such as GrabAds Media or ClickBank, there's thousands of other people who take that same email. So what happens is if we're sending out emails to our customers, some of those emails may actually go to spam. So we don't want that. That's why if you decide to use the email templates, try to modify it and make it work for your current audience and just modify the email. So now testing and tracking. Now this is going to be the most important part that we need to be paying close attention to. Earlier I have mentioned has offers and a cake network. But what we can actually do is we can actually put a Facebook pixel in right here. And now this postback URL, this is going to be used for tracking and scaling. We need to know when we have tracking set up and we make a sale on GrabAds Media, we want our tracker to know that in ClickMagick, we made a sale in ClickMagick. So testing and tracking is one of the most important areas we'll be using throughout this training course. Postback URL. What a postback URL is, it lets the affiliate product talk to our ClickMagick tracking through our entire funnel. Now what a pixel HTML is when we go to Facebook, we'll start to create a pixel to track all our customers. And the importance of a pixel is, for example, have you ever been to Target and searched, or you've been to Walmart, or you've been online and you've searched products? What happens is if you're searching for lawnmowers or you're searching for weight loss products, all of a sudden you're going to start seeing weight training ads pop up on Facebook. You're going to start seeing ads similar to what you were searching on other websites. That means they're retargeting you with a pixel. So it's very important that we want to get our pixels correct, but I just wanted to show you an overview of where our testing and tracking is at, what the emails are, what the creative is, and basic info. So now if you want also, you do not have to click into creatives, and you can come here and you can click link. And then you can just click get link, and then this will be our affiliate link. Or you can go to basic info and click link, and it'll do the exact same thing. So now what you can do with these other variations is that you can actually test these variations. You can add in your tracking, you can rotate. So you can send 50% of the people to landing page new blue, and then 50% of the people to the main one. So now for all creative types, we see right here, we have a link that we can use, which is our tracking link. But also, if we want to use pictures of the product that we're actually promoting and put them on our landing page, we actually can. So all you have to do right here, you can hover over this, and we can click on that. And what we can actually do is we can download this, and we can put this on our landing page. And it'll look just like this. So now that we've went over this, keep in mind, always pay attention to this side right here. We get paid $80 for the sale, cost per action. Now allowed countries, Canada, United States, Ireland, United Kingdom. And then right here, allowed media types, display, email, search, social media. You guys are going to be learning social media in the Facebook ad section. So for when you're choosing an offer, start to think about what are the allowed methods that are allowed. So affiliatepaying.com. What I like to do when I come here, I scroll down and I click on top rated, and then I click on all platforms and I click on cake. So these are going to be some cake networks that you guys can go sign up with during this case study. You can go sign up for ClickDealer, Convert2Media, Above All Offers, ClickBooth. Go sign up with as many affiliate networks as you can, because not all of them are going to accept you, but the ones that do accept you, we can actually test some traffic and test some offers within that. So now also, when you're testing an affiliate network and you want to know, is this affiliate network legitimate? Am I going to be paid? You can start Googling the company's name, start looking for reviews. I'm going to have a list of recommendations for affiliate networks that are cake networks, that are has offer networks, and some good affiliate networks that you can actually join. So throughout this overview of affiliate networks, we've talked about Cake networks we've talked about has offers. Now there's the most popular network around, ClickBank. Now this is ClickBank here, and the reason that you can use ClickBank is you can sign up in 5 minutes and you can start promoting affiliate products. ClickBank is another network we can use. Yes, we can track with ClickBank, but the pixel placement is limited. Whenever you're trying to track Facebook pixels with ClickBank, you typically run into issues. I have messaged into support and asked them to place pixel placements of my Facebook pixel on these offers for scaling and trying to make more money. It was always a headache, so I've always had better luck sticking with using Cake. But I want you to know ClickBank is another option that you can actually use. And if, for example, if you're using ClickBank, all you would have to do is come here, register an account, which takes about 5 minutes. Then you just click promote, click create, and then right here we have our affiliate link. Let's just open this up so you can see. So ClickBank University, affiliate product right here. Let's jump right into the next video and I'll show you exactly how you can apply to these affiliate networks and get approved.